Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on my Airsoft collection. I don't really have one. It's just two guns and BBs and yeah. This is not all of it. I am getting parts in the mail very soon. So I will do a updated Airsoft thingy. Yeah. I'm just getting a mask, like a sheet metal mask, and then goggles, and that's it. So yeah, this is the bag that I just have it in the bag. Yeah, it's really heavy. So yeah, let's get right on to it. I'm gonna save the best for last. It's called. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna bring out is not this. Let me bring this out and let me not show it to you guys because that will just spoil everything. So the first thing I'm going to show you is these pants. I just wear these pants for camo. They're nice cargo pants and they reflect the damage. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you all of this stuff. So I'm going to put it to the side. The next thing I'm going to show you is probably, I am going to show you my ammunition. This and also this. This 5,015 BBs, 15 gram BBs, and then this 0.12 gram BBs. Next thing I'm going to show you is, wait, let's see if this is loaded. Okay, it's not loaded. It's my P311 Stinger. It's spring powered as all my other guns, so I'm going to put that off to the side here. I showed you the ammo, so I'm going to put off to the side here. And now, well, I'm going to show you the big boy. The big boy that you guys all been waiting for. Wait, let me put the stock on. So, and at the end, I'll tell you all the FPSs. Bang! Yes, this is not a real gun. It has a orange tip, and I'm not gonna shoot it because I don't want to make BBs go flying everywhere. Actually, yeah, I can, because it's not loaded. Okay, yes, it is loaded. I just shot the wall. Who cares? So yeah, I will show you all the attachments. This is a folding out stock. There is a sling mount here and a sling mount right here. This little thingy. There's a carry handle at the top that you can hold it on. You can also put a sight at the top, but there's already sights in the actual gun. And there's a sight at the front of the gun, like right here. So, and then there is a vertical grip, and then a thing for like if you want the flashlights, and then there's another thingy, grill or side thingy. Then there's another side thingy for like if you want to do other stuff, and then you can take the grip off, but it's really hard. So like look, I'm just unscrewing the bottom of it, and then you can take it off. The grip's actually really heavy. It's pretty heavy for the gun. Let me put it back on though. I like it to have it like 3/4 of the way up, so around this way, because my arms are not that long. So it's perfect for me to hold. Like this with the extended stock, it's perfect. So I can just shoot like this. And now I'm gonna show you how much FPS. FPS stands for feet per second. So this does 350 or 375. One other. But my brother shot me in the bum with it, and it hurt. Yeah. And then this beauty over here, this one. This one does, I think, 325. And this one's clear, and also this one's clear. It's pretty big. When the stock is fully out, like I have to pull it all the way back. If I put it up, it's gonna get out of the frame. So I have to put it all the way back, or else it just won't work. So yeah, now I'm gonna give you a quick overview of my stuff. So I have this. I have this, my P311 Stinger. I have my ammunition, my speed loader ammunition. I can just flip up like this and then pour BBs out. And then I have my cargo army detecting camo. You can't see me, I'm John Cena cargo pants. So yeah, that will end off the video. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed.